Most people believe their thoughts are their own, but very few people ever ask, where do these thoughts come from? You didn't choose your first beliefs, you inherited them. And what you inherit quietly controls you. From childhood, you were taught what is normal, what is dangerous, what is respectable, what is impossible. Not through lectures, but repetition, tone, reaction, reward, punishment. By the time you could reason, your thinking had already been shaped. The mind doesn't ask, is this true? It asks, is this familiar? Familiar ideas feel safe. Unfamiliar ideas feel threatening. This is why people defend beliefs they have never examined. Certainty often comes from repetition, not evidence. A man once left his village for the city. In the village, he was told, people like us don't rise. Certain doors are not for us. In the city, no one said these things to him. Yet for years, he still hesitated, still declined opportunities, still lowered his voice. Not because anyone stopped him, but because the voice was already inside. No guard was needed at the gate. The gate was in his mind. He left the village, but the village remained in him. The brain loves efficiency. It uses shortcuts, labels, assumptions, generalizations. These save energy, but limit perception. Once a belief is installed, the brain filters reality to protect it. You don't see what contradicts you. You see what confirms you. This is not intelligence. It is conditioning. Every dominant system benefits when people don't question their thoughts. I'll take that again. Every dominant system benefits when people don't question their thoughts. Culture, media, authority, fear. When thinking is outsourced, behavior becomes predictable. Predictable people are easy to manage. Now you see why that is done, right? Follow me. Quiet thinkers don't react immediately to ideas. They pause. They sit with discomfort. They ask, why does this feel true? Who gains if I believe this? They are not contrarian. They are selective. And selectivity is power. The next time a thought feels automatic, a judgment, a fear, a certainty, don't fight it, trace it, ask, when did I first learn this? Who taught me? What happens if I release it? Awareness weakens programming. Unexamined thoughts shape decisions.